Hey Violas, in this video I'm going to go over how to read our D string notes on the music staff. We'll take a look at what they look like and then we'll review what finger numbers they are. Starting with our open D, this one's a little tricky just to find out of the blue because it's on one of our spaces in the music staff. Open D is in this third space if you're counting from the bottom. And one way that you might remember it is that our clef, in addition to being called the alto clef, is called a C clef because the indent in our clef points to this line, which is the C line. So if you remember your middle line is C and you have a note right above it, you might remember that it's D because that's one letter higher than C. So right here, this is our D and it's 0 fingers. You could also just memorize that it's in the third space. All right, to get to our next note, we're going to go to a line note. So when we go up in order of notes, we go from space to line to space to line without skipping anything. So our next note is in the line that's right above where D was. And that is the note E, and it's 1 finger. Okay, since we had a line note, our very next highest note is going to be a space note. And it's going to go in this space right here. And that's the note F sharp. And it's 2 fingers. We have one more D string note. And that's on our very top line right here. That's the note G with 3 fingers. So some tricks for remembering your notes. If you notice, our line notes, E and G, they're odd numbered fingers. So if you have a note on a line, it's pretty much always going to be either first finger or third finger. G is a great note to remember because it's on the very top line of the music staff, and it's all 3 fingers down. Space notes, like this D and F sharp, are either going to be 0 or 2 fingers. So that might be a good way to help you at least figure out what finger you're on. Okay, those are all your D string notes.